After more than 2 years, it seems that GoPro will be adding an action camera aimed towards professionals, possibly a very small camera similar to the Insta360. And rumors are suggesting that GoPro is intending to develop the Max lineup as one of the 4 distinct products that they mention in Q4 of 2022. So when is this new GoPro MAX 2 coming? The GoPro MAX was released more than 2 years ago, and it seems likely that the next version will be released soon, possibly in Q4 of 2023 or Q3 if we're lucky, though there's no confirmed news. The Max was considered a groundbreaking camera when it was first released and continues to be useful today. The video quality is still one of the best among consumer 360 cameras, and its stabilization capabilities are impressive. However, there were some issues with the camera, such as limited software options, frame rate, and photography options that prevented it from reaching its full potential. So what can we realistically expect from the next version of the Max camera? To understand this, let's analyze the original specs and see where we're starting from. Although many people might assume that the main upgrade of the new GoPro MAX camera would be an increase in resolution, we believe this is unlikely. This is because the video resolution of 8K, which is the next highest upgradation, is still difficult to edit on most people's desktop or mobile devices, making an 8K Max 2 not a justifiable product for most consumers. However, we could expect a significant improvement in video quality, as the resolution is not everything. For instance, the new Riot Theta X has a 1.5-inch sensors that are twice the size of the current Max sensors, resulting in better low-light video and improved dynamic range. It's possible that the new Max 2 could feature improved sensor technology or even larger lenses. It's reasonable to assume that the upcoming GoPro MAX 2 would incorporate the latest processor from GoPro, which is also found in the Hero 11. This could potentially allow for higher frame rates, such as 5.7K 360 video at 60 FPS and 4K at 100 FPS, which would be a first for consumer-level 360 cameras. Moreover, the photographic capabilities of the Max 2 would likely be improved, as the previous version lacked auto HDR or RAW support, making the 360 photo ability less valuable. If the Max 2 were to include these features, it would be a significant improvement. Although these cameras are primarily designed for action videos, having these supplementary features would be a valuable addition. We believe that the design of the GoPro MAX 2 will remain largely unchanged, as it was already excellent in its first generation. However, minor alterations such as making it slimmer or incorporating a dual screen, like the Hero 11, may be possible. While it may be optimistic, we believe this is a reasonable prediction. The possibility of having larger sensors is less likely, as they are more costly for GoPro to manufacture, so they may opt to continue using smaller lenses to maintain the same pricing structure. As of now, we're eager to see what the actual GoPro MAX 2 will look like and hope that the reveal will happen soon. To date, GoPro has released 3 360 cameras, the Omni in 2016, the Fusion in 2017, and the last one was Max in 2019. Despite GoPro's assurance that the Max will still be produced, the silence about a possible successor is concerning, especially considering GoPro's release of 2 new product lines, Bones and Mini, this year, in addition to the Hero 11. While a 3-year gap between product releases may not seem like a lot, it is huge in the world of 360 cameras. It's possible that GoPro is waiting for a substantial improvement over the Max before launching a new 360 camera. Nonetheless, it's long overdue, and fans are waiting for an update. So, what do you think about the upcoming GoPro MAX 2? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.